Here's the group. It's come for the 2009 Birdwalk, Spring Birdwalk with Milan. The osprey are back. The male is actually out on a stick and the female is on the nest, on the nesting box, and is nursing the eggs.
A year and a half to 2 years before they learn that they have to drop it on a hard surface. So you'll see all these young gulls will be dropping them on the sand all the time. But the adults, right away,
Kids.
they know they have to drop it on, you know, pavement, car top, rocks, before it'll break. But this one was dropping it on the sand, but it happened to hit some stones over there. So.
It's the outlet to the Fairfield Marina. This is the channel of Ash Creek going out into Long Island Sound. Off in the distance you can see all the new plantings.
This estuary is highly productive. It's absolutely full of shellfish, hard clams and oysters. Most of these big lumps you see here are oysters, and out in the center there are tons of hard clams and soft shell clams.